Hello everyone, I am Manjunath. Today I am going to explain about probability. Probability. How likely something is to happen. Many events can be predicted with total certainty. The best we can say is how likely they are happen using the idea of probability. For example, tossing a coin. The, the coin can be two faces as head and tails. We can say that probability of the coin landing head is 1 by 2. The probability of coin landing tail is 1 by 2. Throwing a dice. When a single die is thrown, there are 6 possible outcomes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The probability of any one of them is 1 by 6. Probability. In general, probability of an event happening is equals to number of ways it can happen divided by total number of outcomes. For example, the chances of rolling a 4 with a die, number of ways it can happen is 1. There is only one face with 4 on it. Total number of outcomes is 6. There are 6 faces altogether. So the probability is 1 divided by 6. Probability can be designed in the probability line as starting with the 0 with the impossible outcomes, unlikely as in die 1 by 6, and in even chances as in coin, head or tail, and next to the likely as we have to choose in a box of marbles, only a one marble is a likely certainty, and it can be a only with a biased coin. It can have every outcome with one. Probability is always between 0 and 1. Probability is just a guide. Probability does not tell us exactly what will happen. It is just a guide. Example, toss a coin 100 times. How many heads will come up? Probability says that head have a 1 by 2 chance. So we could expect 50 heads. But when you actually try it on, you might get 48 heads or 55 heads or anything. But in most cases, it will be a number near 50. Sample space. All the possible outcomes of an experiment is sample space. Example, choosing a card from a deck. There are 52 cards in a deck. So the sample space is all 52 possible cards as ace of hearts, two of hearts, etc. Event. A single result of an experiment. Getting a tail when tossing a coin is an event. Rolling a 5 is an event. An event can include one or more possible outcomes. Choosing a king from a deck of cards. Rolling an even number from an die. Mutually exclusive event. Mutually exclusive means you can't get both events at the same time. It is either one or the other, but not both. Example, turning left or right are mutually exclusive. You can't do both at the same time. Head and tails are mutually exclusive. King and aces are mutually exclusive. What isn't mutually exclusive? Kings and hearts are not mutually exclusive because you can have a king or king of hearts. The probability of an event is shown using P. P of M is probability of event A. A complement is shown by a little mark such as A to the dash. A to the dash means probability of the complement of event A. Two probability always add to 1. P of A plus P of dash is equal to 1, as we can know in this diagram. Two or more events. You can calculate the chances of two or more independent events by multiplying the chances. P of AB is equal to P of A into B. Question. What is the probability of 7 heads in a row? A coin can have a 2 chances as 1 by 2 of 7 heads is we get as 0.0078125. It's less than 1%. Probability of A and B we have discussed. P of A into P of B by A. Probability of event A and B equals to the probability of A times the probability of event B given event A. Finding a hidden data using algebra, we can also change the subject of the formula like this. We have another useful formula as P of B by A is equal to P of A and B divided by P of A. Thank you.